said, it's sex that gives you something to trip off. If money is the option, I'm jumping like it's a tip-off. Tastes real sweet, that gives you something to lick off. They hopping on my dick, I tell these niggas to get off. European whip looking classy just when I dip out. Feeling real sober, so give me something to sip off. Baby in the whip and she loving the way I spit off. She leans right over and sucks it until my dick's off. I be on my grind, I'm fly just when I take off. Reaching all the heavens, I'm flipping the damn space off. Money is my bitch and from her, I never break off. The baker's in the building, we having a fucking bake off. This is what I do and I treat it just like a cliche. We chasing after money, we having a damn relay. Get gone, I do it with no delay. Then do it all over, it's my personal replay.
First place, y'all gon' stay last. I know dog spit the cleanest shit like a babe ass blood on his clothes. So you better have a Maytag, my flow got a glow. Better have a pair of Ray-Bans. Lethal gas, flatlined if you with my vapors. Warmest bars, dog spit incubators. Gas cold, you could say that he's refrigerated. Gouda starter, just call him an instigator. Get lost in my...
Yeah, keep going.
Get lost in my bars, bitch, I've been amazing. Yeah, I'm on my main shit. My flow is ageless. I know a lot of criminals, but I don't know an agent. Lodged up with your bitch like I know a Mason. And more money brings more clothes. And I'ma own the throne and it will not foreclose. Can't get to my shit, I'ma dig more most. I'm grown, y'all toast, no English, adios.
Yeah. It's my turn, you know?
Let's go.
Listen, I am not the average. It seems you lames are not socially accurate or comfortable enough to stay in back of shit. See, I'm just known as Basilny. Take your brains and morbidly fracture ribs until you scream out pain and agony. Something's gotta give. See, I was born in a city where people jack to live, but raised around players and hustlers who told me Mac the bitch. You know what I did? Got on some Mac and shit. First whip on 22s, threw my bitch in Mac a bit. Liquor for the drink, so to think and relax a bit. A couple hours later, we was big money stacking shit. Fuck you gon' tell me, ain't none of you niggas thinking right. I love to say my thanks, but do I look like the give and take? You can't eat without me. I'm on my dinner height. Besides Paul and Peter, didn't eat without Jesus Christ, nigga.
Okay. Here I go. Deep in, white bitch with me. She look like Pink Twin. I will deliver yo baby like Heathcliff, but it will be a stillbirth. It'll be a stillbirth. I got the world bag. I'm about to sell Earth. God's only demon. You can say the hell's cursed. I'm trying to see a check. I always check the mail first. 40 to your head. You can say Michelle's burnt. Keep your mouth shut if you wanna keep your brother. I'd rather watch two gay bitches see each other. I'm cold, I guess my water heater's busted. Buffet bars, I always have to feed the public.
Beats in the hearse, haters get it the worst. I'm a hustler first, you know this is birth. I don't do it for show, you should already know. I'm cold and cold,